So what did we receive today, Hédi?
Projector.
A projector. Let's see.
Be careful not to cut the thing.
Yeah, I am. Okay. So it seems it has many layers.
What?
First is like this.
Another layer?
Okay, so it looks like this. Actually, it was on. Where did I buy it?
Post office.
Yeah, no, in the post office we just picked it. It was on Kickstarter and smart mini projector. And look, a cinema in your pocket. Look at this. Whoa. It looks super. Very cute, but I don't understand why it needed such a huge box for such a tiny small item. It looks super cute. It's really a mini projector. So later today we will set it, okay?
But we
Install
only
it.
need a small wall.
Yeah, I'm curious what kind of picture it is projecting.
See?
Okay.
This
It
is how it
costed
looks
like $400, so it's supposed to be very quality, but it looks very promising. It has
a remote.
a remote, yeah.
Look at this. So amazing.
Yeah, it's
Voila.
cool. It's cool.
Orange and black.
Yeah, most likely we will have to buy a battery. Look,
Are you sure?
yeah, because here and there's no battery. But anyway, we can go to this. We have at home, I guess, some extra
Yeah, we do.
batteries.
Actually,
Okay, so we have here the remote, and let's see the other one. Most likely this is the charger.
coming right back.
Yeah, here is the charger. Okay, so Hédi found some batteries. Let's see if it works.
I
Yeah,
found
it's
two.
perfect. Yeah, you found two. It's perfect.
Yay. Can we see if it works?
Maybe it's not because it's not charged. We need to charge first, but the first challenge, look, here is the charger, but look at it. It's an American standard. Oh man, we are in Europe. Thank God we have the gadget. We can put it somewhere here, and such way it goes into our socket. And it works like this.
What do you mean?
Because this doesn't work here in this flat. We have the European standard, and that charger is the American standard. So what is this?
Projector.
A projector, yes. And what does it do?
It makes things on the wall right here.
Okay. Yeah. And what is this button here?
That's an on button.
Yeah, the
So
on.
if you press it, then this will go on, and then the screen will come here.
Okay. And what is this little hand on the top?
That hand is where you press, and then you will swipe wherever you want the arrow to go. And there's an arrow that will show up there, because if we didn't have the arrow, then we don't know what we're pressing.
Okay. So it's like a touchpad, right?
Yeah.
And here, these two buttons. This one and this one.
It's the sound.
Yeah, the voice.
One is for loud and one is for soft.
Yeah. And what is this on the side?
Oh, it's to make it sharp.
Yeah. And what are these here?
That's a place where you can put the cable.
Yeah, for charging or to connect to your laptop or any other gadgets. Do you want to press to switch on?
Okay.
Keep pressing. Okay. This blue LED shows that something is happening.
And some.
It has a certain. Oh, look.
Ooh. Move.
Yeah.
See? This is the name of it. PIQ, and that's block I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's a smart mini projector, right? Okay, look the screen. So it's automatically connected to the internet, right?
Yeah.
Or you can connect by Bluetooth also to any other gadgets, and you can display Netflix. You wanna try Netflix?
Yeah.
How?
We will show you how the Netflix works.
Okay. It's still daylight, so it's not so strong,
Yeah.
but in the evening it will be much stronger.
And we're going to watch a movie with it.
Oh, there it is. Look. Yeah, you can just randomly start this movie it shows, is the latest one.
But I don't know.
Ah, I see. Here is the arrow here.
I know. Play. The sound is coming from here.
Mm-hmm.
And this is actually fun to play with. Because if we put this in front, then...
Oh, come, sit here. We can have the movie even on your T-shirt.
Funny.
Yeah, it's funny. Okay, we will try it later in the evening when the light is darker, okay?
Yeah. So here we are again. Now we have this projector and we're going to show you how it works.
Okay.
We're in a different room now because outside is like too blurry. So
Okay.
inside here. Darkest room of all. So now, see this button? We will press it and keep pressing it until it shows like a blue dot there. So yeah. It's gonna show you. It just glared at my face. So here is the. So now here is the picture. I'll make it go a bit further so it will go bigger.
True. Really big screen, right?
Yeah. The more further we go, the more it will be. So now we're going to watch something to show you how it works. Look. It's going up and down. Because I'm dragging. Ooh, I'm so good. Well, so it's gonna appear. Okay. So we're going to watch another video for children. It's kind of scary, this.
You have seen this movie?
Yes,
Why was it scary?
because there was like,
Ah, so killing people, right?
yeah.
Okay, it's not for children, definitely.
I've seen this woman. I've seen this woman.
She's Jennifer Aniston.
No, her name is Audrey.
Ah, in the movie, yes.
But there's more. Actually, there's videos about her, but not with Nick.
Mm-hmm. But you know, she's an actress and the guy is an actor. And in this movie, they were Nick and Audrey. But in other movies, they play other roles. Okay, find a video. Yeah.
Ah. I'm going under here.
Choose Hédi's channel. Okay.
These one, the one with the like eyes, with the like.
It's also yours. You have 2 accounts, right?
Yeah, I made that one. The sound is coming from actually the thing, so it can make a trick on us, but it's not.
Okay, now you don't have to hold this. You put it down, yeah?
Then it's so low.
No problem, you can see it and you don't have to hold. Right? And try what is happening if you project to the ceiling. Oh, big, right?
Yeah. Well, can we put it back here?
Yeah, sure.